Hey everyone. Today we're going to look at the 5 best corded reciprocating saws on the market for this year. Whether you're a seasoned contractor or a passionate deer, these cutting-edge tools are bound to take your projects to the next level. We are going to show you our 5 selections, and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Craftsman Reciprocating Saw. In the realm of power tools, the Craftsman Reciprocating Saw stands tall, a stalwart companion for both DIY enthusiasts and professional tradesmen. This corded marvel, boasting a formidable 7.5 amp motor and a rapid 3,200 RPM, promises a cutting experience like no other. With precision engineering and a user-friendly design, it is no wonder that this reciprocating saw has earned the admiration of countless users. It exudes a rugged charm with its robust construction and signature Craftsman orange accents. Its ergonomic design is a testament to the brand's commitment to user comfort, as it fits snugly into the hands of operators, allowing them to maneuver with ease, even in confined spaces. This makes it an ideal tool for a wide array of tasks, from demolition and pruning to plumbing and construction. Its potent 7.5 amp motor. Capable of delivering impressive power, this reciprocating saw slices through a variety of materials with unparalleled efficiency. Be it wood, metal, plastic, or drywall, the saw makes short work of them all, enabling users to tackle challenging projects with confidence. Number 2. DeWalt Reciprocating Saw. When power and precision are paramount, the DeWalt Reciprocating Saw steps up to the plate with its impressive 12 amp motor and variable speed trigger. This corded reciprocating saw delivers a formidable 2,900 RPM, making light work of even the toughest cutting tasks. The 4-position blade clamp is a standout feature that allows you to make flush cuts and adapt to different cutting angles with ease. No matter the material, the DeWalt DWE305 ensures clean and precise cuts, saving you time and effort on your projects. Safety and comfort go hand in hand with this saw. The rubberized ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Additionally, the DeWalt DWE305 comes with an adjustable shoe to maintain stability and enhance cutting control. Changing blades is a breeze thanks to the tool-free blade changing system, which lets you switch between tasks quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a professional contractor or a dedicated DIY enthusiast, this reciprocating saw is a reliable and durable tool that won't disappoint. Number 3. Skil 13 amp Corded Reciprocating Saw. The Skil 13 amp corded reciprocating saw with Buzzkill technology brings innovation to the table with its unique anti-vibration system. This technology, aptly named Buzzkill, significantly reduces vibration, providing a smoother cutting experience and increased accuracy. Powered by a robust 13 amp motor, the Skil reciprocating saw delivers impressive cutting performance at a variable speed, allowing you to match the speed to the material for optimal results. Whether you're cutting through thick lumber or metal pipes, this saw handles it all with ease. The keyless blade change system ensures quick and straightforward blade replacements, minimizing downtime during your projects. The pivoting shoe adds stability and control during cuts, while the ergonomic handle enhances comfort and grip, reducing strain on your hands and wrists. The Skil reciprocating saw is a versatile and reliable tool that caters to both professionals and DIYers. From demolition work to intricate woodworking tasks, this reciprocating saw is ready to tackle it all. Number 4. Makita Reciprocating Saw. For those seeking a heavy-duty reciprocating saw, the Makita Recipro Saw delivers exceptional power with its 12 amp motor. This corded saw boasts an efficient 1/1/8-inch stroke length, ensuring fast and efficient cutting through various materials. With a no-load speed of up to 2,800 SPM, the Makita packs a punch, making it ideal for demolition, remodeling, and construction tasks. The variable speed trigger allows you to adjust the cutting speed according to the material and application, granting you maximum control over your cuts. The tool-less blade change system streamlines the process of swapping blades, keeping you focused on the task at hand. Additionally, the rubberized soft grip handle enhances comfort and reduces fatigue during prolonged use. Durability is a hallmark of Makita tools, and the JR3051T Recipro saw is no exception. Built to withstand heavy use in demanding environments, this saw is a reliable workhorse that won't let you down. Number 5. Milwaukee Super Sawzall Reciprocating Saw. The Milwaukee 15.0 amp Super Sawzall Reciprocating Saw lives up to its name as a true super saw, thanks to its mighty 15.0 amp motor. This corded reciprocating saw is a force to be reckoned with, excelling in heavy-duty applications with its exceptional cutting power. The patented gear-protecting clutch is a standout feature that extends the life of the tool by absorbing impact forces, minimizing gear damage, and providing superior durability. This saw is built to withstand the toughest job site conditions. The variable speed trigger allows you to match the cutting speed to the material, ensuring precise and efficient cuts every time. Additionally, the 1/4-inch stroke length contributes to faster cutting speeds and enhanced productivity. Comfort and usability are key priorities for Milwaukee, and the 653821 Super Sawzall doesn't disappoint. The counterweighted mechanism reduces vibration, and the ergonomic handle design offers a secure and comfortable grip, making it easier to control during prolonged use. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching, have a great day.